Welcome back to Monday Meds. Yes, it's Monday, and this is your Monday Meds. I'm your health educator, Tanisha Lawrence. We are wrapping up the summer treats, and we'll share with you making the most of the beach. Keep watching. Yes, we are on the beach. One of the things that when you come to the beach, you should maximize on is the sand. Yes, you should make sure you get the most of the beach by using the sand. The sand is a natural exfoliator. So you definitely want to exfoliate your skin. Yes, as much as you can. You can do your arms, you can do your legs, do your knee cup, and it's part of massaging. You can also massage. It does help to stimulate blood flow and circulation, or circulation of the blood. So definitely exfoliate your body. Exfoliate the largest organ of your body, which is your skin. And yes, you definitely want to, you can also massage your feet. It helps to stimulate blood flow and circulation in your body. You know, there are many, what is it? Neurons? Is it neurons?
Nerve.
Nerve endings. Thank you, honey. There are many nerve endings in your foot bottom, or the bottom of your feet. So you definitely want to maximize. You want to do that. You want to maximize on your trip to the beach. Yes, you got to maximize. And yes, you can put it on your face also. Yep. And you do it in an upward motion. And you do it to your neck, upward. Upward. Circular. And there you have it. You make the most, and of course through your neck, behind your neck, you make the most of your time at the beach. And this is all healthy, it's all natural, it's stimulating blood flow. The cells in your body, they're excited. And another thing, you're actually opening the pores of your skin while you do this. And of course, I'm gonna wash them off, or wash it off, and gonna get a dip in the ocean. Just like that. Great stuff, great stuff. Wash and be clean. You need to dip 7 times.
Look down.
And his name was Naaman. And he dip one, dip. No, you're not named Naaman, you're named David.
No, look down there. Up here, that.
Yeah, it's clear water. Crystal clear. That's the beauty of JA.
You can actually see the rocks and touch them.
Yeah. Enjoy.
Unlike Lynn Beach.
Unlike the beaches of Jordan. That's a pig, y'all. Look that side. This side. Yeah, we're on camera. So yeah, it's a beach day and we are having fun. It was really hot earlier, so the best place to come is the beach when you're hot. So yeah, it looks like it's going to rain though, but yeah, we're enjoying it and we are about to go. So yeah, it was a wonderful time, relaxing. I feel more energized for the week ahead. Praise God. You feel energized, honey?
Yeah. Oh, my work it out now.
Oh, really? I thought you just did that. That's all, folks. That's all for now. We will see you on another video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Be sure to click the notification bell to get updates on all our new videos. Keep watching.